This is an easy braised sea cucumber and fish maw recipe. The key is to allow for a long braising time to cook until everything is tender. We have here 6 sea cucumber, 1 piece of fish maw, 5 dried mushrooms soaked overnight, 2 tablespoons of dried prawns soaked until soft, and 2 slices of ginger cut into strips. We start by chopping the dried prawns, slice the mushrooms, and cut the sea cucumber into big chunks. Put the fish maw into a pot of boiling water. If it is floating in the water like this, push it down every now and then. Remove the fish maw when it has softened after about 10 minutes. Rinse with water. This is to get rid of the excess oil and any unpleasant smell in the fish maw. Cut the fish maw into smaller pieces. We can now start to saute the ginger shreds. Saute for 30 seconds and add the dried shrimps. When fragrant, add the mushrooms. When the mushroom is brown on the edges, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add the soaking liquid from dried prawns. And add the soaking liquid from the mushrooms. Cover and let it simmer. After simmering for half an hour, add the fish maw and sea cucumber. Top up hot water to cover. We will let it simmer until everything is soft. It should take at least 1 hour. Check every now and then. We are checking after half an hour. Looks like we have to cook for a little longer. This is after 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is the texture we like. A sea cucumber comes with different texture, some firmer and some softer. I have taken out the softer ones 15 minutes earlier as I do not want to overcook them and to prevent them from disintegrating. Put these back into the pot now. We like to have some sauce to go with the rice. If you prefer, you can choose to reduce the sauce further or add some cornstarch solution to thicken the sauce. Taste and adjust the taste accordingly. by adding some soy sauce, salt, and sugar. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, some dark soy sauce for color, and a pinch of salt and sugar. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.